Life is not as easy as we thought it would be. Life is a race, it involves preparation, struggle, and reward. Life is a journey. This contains the beginnings, experience, and destination. Life is uncertain. This is true as to its contents as well as its length. Life is a mystery. It is a combination of endless wonders. Life is brief. It is like a vapor or a flower. Life is a precious gift from God. There's nothing to count more precious than life. Life is external. That doesn't end it at all. Life is not fair, but it's still good. Life is too short not to enjoy it. Sometimes we may fail, but we should not lose hope.